welcome back boys and girls. Today we're doing Moroccan chicken tagine. So we gotta be quick because it takes so long to upload the video. You need your Moroccan tagine, and also I'll show you the ingredients now. You will need some chicken. Okay, it's up to you what chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. Potatoes already cut, peeled and cut wedges, and chopped onion the way you want to do it. Beans, green beans, sorry. Carrot cut roughly to any shape you like. Garlic, ginger, pepper and turmeric. So you need 1 teaspoon of everything: ginger, pepper and turmeric, and 2 cloves of garlic crushed together. First thing you gotta start with is heat your oil, and then you gotta start putting your chicken in, skin side down, just to sweat it off, like that. And then when it's all sweat off, cover it up and you let it sweat off in there, and we'll be back in a minute. Here we go. We're gonna turn our chicken now, like so, and cover it again, and we'll be back. Here we are. After our chicken's been sweat off and golden, you want to add your onions. Roughly, I got 2 onions there, chopped rough, and you just add them, and you just add them to your chickens, and you cover up again, and we'll be back. Here we are. Now and again, check, give it a stir, so until the onions are soft a bit, and then we gotta add our spices. Okay, and then we'll show you in a minute. Here we are, we're back again. So we're gonna add garlic next. 2 cloves of garlic crushed together. Give it a mix. Don't be shy, it's very simple. Like that. And then 1 teaspoon of pepper. In it goes. Turmeric. 2 teaspoons turmeric. And 2 teaspoons of ginger. You need those. These are the main spices for the tagine. This is a very simple tagine. You can do so many tagines. You can just have lemon, chicken tagine, lamb tagine, beef tagine, fish tagine, and yeah. So you let the spices work through now, and we'll be back in a minute. Give it a stir. Turn the chickens over, so all the turmeric and the flavor will go into the chicken, like that. It's a slow cook process. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back again. Next thing I put is my salt. I don't like to use the white salt. I use the pink Himalayan salt, and I don't put great deal of it. And I turn my chicken again, let the salt go through, like that. Here we go. Cover it up again, 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Next thing gotta go in my carrot. I got 3 carrots, peeled, washed, peeled and chopped roughly, and I put in like that. In it goes. Okay, cover up again, we'll be back. Here we are. Next thing I put in some green beans. You can get them frozen or fresh. About 250 grams of green beans. I plop in the middle, don't be shy, like that. And my next thing is the potatoes. Potatoes I keep in the water. I peel and cut them as wedges, and I keep them in the water so they don't go dark. Okay, and then you just dress your dish like that. You can use any dish if you don't have a tagine, and if you're local or you know me, you can borrow my dish. It's no problem at all. Just put in a request and fill in a form like that. And we'll carry on. Sorry guys, that's my water prep. And then I add some olives with stones or without, doesn't matter, like that. You do it your own way, it's very easy. And this is the bad boy. It'll have to go in the tagine, otherwise it's not worth it. In it goes. Okay? And then you can have lemon in it. You don't have to. I marinate my own lemon. I'll have to do a video about that. So I get my lemon out. I use normally half if you like. So get my lemon out. It's very soft and very nice. I'll have to show you. You don't have to put the lemon at all. You don't have to. Okay, in it goes. And we'll be back in a minute. So next thing I'm gonna put is some coriander. You can buy fresh coriander and chop it up and put it in a plastic tub in the freezer. So anytime you want it, you can just pull it out and use it. Okay, like that. It's very nice. And I like, at the end, I like to add some tiny bit of salt on the potatoes and let the flavor cook through. Let the tagine cook through, and we'll be back in a minute. We're back again, so check it now and again. You may have to put some water. That's most of the times. You don't have to, but I do prefer some juice to dip my bread in. So not cold water if you're using this dish, warm water, and you just add tiny bit, not loads, it can overflow, like so. And then you cover it up and you let it cook through, and when it's cooked, we'll show you what it looks like. Thank you guys. We're back again. So check your tagine now and again. If you need more juice, add a bit more of warm water again, not loads. If you do, and the tagine starts to bubble, I'll show you now in a minute. It'll start to bubble from there. If it does, just put a spoon like this and leave it to cook on a very low heat, okay? And we'll be back in a minute. There we are. We'll check now if it's ready. So you get a knife through the veg. It should go easily. So that tells me the veg are done. The chicken as well, very soft, nice. Alright, so the tagine is ready guys, so my heat's gotta go off. And I'll let it cool for a bit and I'll be back again. Here you go, it's ready. It's still bubbling even if it's off the heat. It takes a long time to cool. It'll have to be served with Moroccan bread. I'll have to do another video about how to make the Moroccan bread. If not, use French stick and we're gonna try it. Give it a go. I use my hand, by the way. Traditionally, to eat the tagine, you gotta use your hands. Sorry guys, I gotta tell you, this is the madhouse. Please support, share, subscribe, let's go wild, and like. Thank you guys.